Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the fuel pump. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, this video should apply to Chrysler Voyager and Grand Caravan. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Fuel pump fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side. Right here, to remove the cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuel pump fuse, it's a fuse number F43, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.